We've been asking, what jobs will survive? We've been asking if our kids will have jobs. But underneath all of that is something much harder to face. What does it actually mean to stay valuable in a world that doesn't need you? Something has already changed. The system is learning to run without us. Factories don't need as many workers. Software doesn't need as many decisions. AI doesn't need as much oversight. And at first, it looks like progress. More output, lower cost, faster systems. But underneath that, value is detaching from human contribution. If that's true, then staying valuable isn't automatic anymore. It's something you have to move toward. So start here. Use AI every day, not casually, intentionally. Learn what it replaces and what it amplifies. Don't just use it, study it. Stop thinking in tasks. Start thinking in systems. Ask, what actually creates the outcome? Not just what completes the step. Because tasks get replaced. Systems don't. Build something that didn't exist yesterday. A tool, a workflow, a piece of content. It doesn't have to scale. It has to teach you how value is created. Put yourself closer to creation, not just execution, not just consumption. Creation. And most importantly, don't wait to be told where you fit. That signal is getting weaker every day, because the people who understand how value is created are the ones who keep it. For a long time, the path was simple. Learn a skill, get a job, become useful. If you were useful, you were valuable. And if you stayed valuable, you were safe. That only worked in a world where the system needed human input. That world is fading. Now, you can be skilled, disciplined, even exceptional, and still not be needed. Not because you failed, but because the system found a way to move forward without you. This is what's changed. Value is no longer assigned. It's positional. Where you sit relative to the system matters more than how hard you work inside it. The system used to reward participation. Now, it rewards proximity to creation. Staying valuable now means being close to creation. Understanding systems, not tasks. Moving before you're forced to. Building leverage, not just skills. It's not about working harder. It's about working closer to where value is formed. And something else is happening too. The ability to build is no longer rare. Tools are getting better. Barriers are falling. More people than ever can create something from nothing. And that changes everything. Here's what this all comes down to. When the world no longer needs you, will you still know how to create value anyway? If you want to understand where this is all going and how to stay ahead of it, subscribe to Future Systems. Because what's coming next isn't just about staying valuable. It's about what happens when everyone can build.